this tutorial, we'll cover how to log in to the Thimble.io Educator Platform to create a classroom. Let's begin. First, go to educator.thimble.io and log in to your registered account. Now that we're logged in, it's important to note the next steps will require that you've already created a school. If you have not done so, please refer to our How to Create a School documentation. To proceed, in the left navigation, click Manage and select Schools. Then, select the school you'd like to create a classroom for. On that school's dashboard page, click on Total Classrooms. Now, we can start to create some classrooms. Click Create Classroom. For each class, enter the classroom name and the grade level. Click Save Details and confirm you would like to save the new classroom. Congratulations! Now, you're able to assign student and teacher users to that classroom. If you run into any issues, please check out the knowledge base or reach out to our customer success team.